So I have to show off my new homemade soap planer. A little bit of scrap wood, some screws. I did buy, I don't know if you can see it, a replacement blade for an industrial type wood planer, something that like a carpenter might use. Turn it over. So what I did was put the screws in here, kind of like we would do with a horse sharpening or horse clipping blades. Tighten them in there so you can adjust them up and down as you need. But this is my first attempt at this, and I did find that while I was laying the blade up against the 45-degree angle that I beveled in this, that it aligned itself perfectly, just slightly over the lip. Of course, you can't see it there. Of the board, just like it was meant to do. It's a miracle. Like I said, scrap wood, 2 screws on that side, 2 screws on that side, and the bevel blade. And that is literally, not the bevel blade, whatever it is, that is literally it. So I have a really, really super rough piece of soap here that I've hacked on, as you can see, sadly. And I am somehow, let me push it up against the coffee maker. Alright, there it is. See how rough it looks? I'm going crosshatch, 1 stroke, a little bit better, 2 strokes, I got tired of looking for one that was a decent price, so I decided I had the tools, I had the scrap wood, and I was just gonna make my own. So let us see. Ooh, there you go, almost there. My only regret is that I did not raise it higher to accommodate any of the shavings. Next one I make, I will definitely raise it up. So, as you can see, that looks pretty darn good. Have a little off the edge there, which, let's see. Oh, I can feel it. It's like heaven. And just knowing that I made it, didn't have to pay anybody for it, makes all the difference in the world. Not that I'd miss any meals, but still makes me feel better. Oh, yes. Let's see. A little off the top, a little haircut. Let's see what that looks like. This is a all-natural soap that I made with actually nothing but, oh yes, hello, very natural what the heck is it? Not cinnamon. Anyways, I'll think of it. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh, yes. It's like the best Thursday night I've had in ages. No offense, hubby. He puts up with me, I don't know why. Dedicated an entire mother-in-law suite above the garage to me and my craftiness. Little did he know. Alright, there is my homemade soap trimmer. For, I don't know, I think I paid about $10 for the blades. Actually got 2 of them, just in case. And for good measure, golly, I'm so happy with that. I am going to make myself a beveler. Once I get all the glue together, my saw wouldn't accommodate anything much bigger than that for a 45-degree cut, but you can see what, oh dear, what it's meant to do. Just like that. Knock the corners off. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I love it when a project comes together like this. Turmeric, that's what it was. Turmeric and activated charcoal. Turned out very pretty. Scentless. All natural. Very nice. Anyways, that is my homemade soap shaver. Again, very simple design. Replacement blade for somebody's proper woodworking planer that I just attached at a 45-degree angle. It's set naturally, slightly above the edge of the wood for a first cut, perfect, plain, and I couldn't be happier. Hope y'all have a good night and happy soap making.